When you're sending your emails out, you want to avoid any kind of spam complaints. For example, when you send out a broadcast, you can check to see if there's been any complaints from your email. Now, people may mark your emails as spam for a bunch of different reasons, and you want that number to be 0, but sometimes it'll happen. If you're wondering what an acceptable complaint rate is, the best way to look at it is with a formula like this. For every 1,000 emails you send out, you should have less than 1 complaint. For every 5,000, less than 5, 20,000 emails, less than 20 complaints, and 100,000 emails, less than 100. Basically, your ratio between emails and complaints should be below 0.1%. Don't worry, there's some ways you can keep that complaint rate down. When sending messages, make it easy for people to unsubscribe. Watch your frequency, don't send too often or too infrequently. Make sure your content is what people signed up for and expect, and maintain consistency. You also don't want to forget about list maintenance when it comes to lowering that complaint rate. Think about things like launching a re-engagement campaign to re-engage subscribers who are uninterested, and don't forget to remove people who just are not active with your emails. So go ahead, try this in your account today. And if you don't have an Aweber account yet, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.